Yo, excuse me. You got some Play-Doh?
But